What's up guys, this is DF Test Channel. Today Oppo R17 unboxing and first look. Box backside, some specs here. Okay guys, let's open the box and look inside. Wow. Box front side, small box here. And main box inside, phone here. Yep, phone handling feeling very nice. See guys, phone. Backside. Very classy looking. Color looking nice. I really like it guys. Guys, phone backside looking good or bad? What did you think? Comment now. Let's look mini box. Mini box inside, free case and booklets here side. SIM card pin here. And box inside, AC adapter here. It's support faster shagreening. White color. And headphone. Here it's looking nice. iPhone style packing. But okay. Last. USB cable here. Nice packing style. It's USB-C type cable. Okay, let's look the phone. Phone is booted. This phone display fingerprint phone look like Vivo. Okay, set the fingerprint. Okay, cool. It has an extremely thin chin at the bottom with almost no bezels at the edges. The in-display fingerprint scanner comes with a 3P micro lens for reading the finger. See guys, phone display top side. Small water drop notch here. The phone comes with a 6.40-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1080 pixels by 2280 pixels. Really, I like this font camera. Okay guys, let's check display fingerprint. So it's working good. See guys, nice. Camera. Let's find out display fingerprint. It's working faster. Yep, it's not bad. But working good. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Oppo R17 packs a 16-megapixel primary camera on the rear and a 25-megapixel front shooter for selfies. Yup, camera nice work.
We'll be right back.